Hey, what's up? And thanks for stopping by the channel where you can see all the great things that we find at yard sales. In this episode, we're going to find some incredible stuff, great, valuable things for pretty low prices, which was great. And you can check out everything that we have found in 2022 on our Yard Sales of 2022 playlist. Be sure to check that out if you want to see all the things that we find in people's yards and driveways. But without any further ado, let's jump into these great finds.
We see a field mouse over here.
Okay.
What do we do?
You want me to get rid of it for you?
Yeah. What do you do? What do you need? A broom or what? A shovel?
Maybe a dustpan or something.
I think he must be sick because he ain't running.
He ain't moving a whole lot. Yeah, I'll take him to the woods for you.
Spray him with that awesome.
Hold on.
Hey.
Hold on. Can I just use this real quick? I'm just going to scoop it.
Coco, get him. Coco, get him. Watch out, Vern. Go over here. Huh? Go over there. Oh.
All right. All right. This is how we start a garage sale day. Don't know what's wrong with you. There we go.
All right. Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm going to put these signs out. I need to drag these tables. That's what I did.
Here, I'll grab the other side.
You get about you.
No. Hey, I'm always here to help people. You want to take it, line it up with the other
We're
one?
gonna go all the way down since we ain't gonna be going around.
There you go. There you go.
School.
Oh, yeah. You want it right next to it?
Go down on the side of this one and just go down because I got 4 tables. She only got.
Gotcha.
We can come all the way and then. Figure out how to get it changed.
I know. You should be fine.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. All right, well, I may come back through.
All righty, you have a great day.
Yeah, you too, y'all. I hope it goes really good. I don't know if anyone's home. Well, home, but... How's it going?
Doing well, how are you?
I was making sure.
Yeah, no, sorry, we are not morning people and there's 5 kids. And it's unbridled chaos, but
I know how it goes.
so go through stuff.
I gotcha.
Actually, my brother-in-law's, because my sister is moving.
Oh.
And I have my 25-year-old, my 23-year-old, his pregnant wife, and their 3 cats moving in. So we have to make space.
Yeah.
Because we had space for all of them. Here, let me get you a bag. Do you want a bag or a basket or anything?
No, you're
All
fine.
right, and you can put the stuff over here. Like,
Okay.
it's just all the people know, like, don't touch.
I got a few personal items to keep at this yard sale. Those Jordans. My son's foot is growing, our oldest son. And he is becoming a Jordan fan, so I picked those up for him. And then those 2 Harry Potter Funko Pops. We're trying to get all the Funko Pops of the Harry Potter ones. And if I have any duplicates, I'll put the sold comps up here just to show you what they go for. But yes, we're just trying to complete the whole set. But for what she charged me for the whole lot of things, does the core sign work?
Yes, and I've got an outlet back here if you wanted to check everything out. Because honestly, like, I know that a lot of yard sales would be like, it's broken, I don't like it, what happened? Everything was tested, just like we don't have room.
For what we paid to get the 2 Funko Pops, those shoes, and this sign, which, yes, it is working. Oh my goodness. Another over $100 score. This will go for probably about $150. Oh yeah.
We have weird stuff. It's like, so yeah, you're gonna start a whole collection. You know, nothing wrong with that.
That's how
nothing
it goes.
wrong with that.
What were you asking on it?
Make an offer, because at this point, like, everything was supposed to be like, it's either we donate it or we sell it. That's where we're at right now emotionally. So
Gotcha.
really, we're just kind of cool with whatever. It just has to go somewhere other than the bin.
Yeah, I was just looking at 2 Funko Pops, the shoes, and the signs.
Yeah, if you're reselling or whatever it is.
No. Like,
yeah.
I do that. I have a YouTube channel and all that, but it's like these fit my son. He's become the Jordan obsession.
Yeah, no, fair.
And then I have almost every single Funko Harry right now.
Nice.
So I have the rest of the ensemble, but we have one entire bookshelf that's
empty.
all of them. So I'm like, if I have duplicates, I'll give it away, but I don't think I have the Hot Topic one.
The only reason I was asking about the resale is because if it's like, well, I need to make a profit because we'll have bills to pay.
Yeah.
That's fine. Like,
Yeah.
I'm not, so whatever.
Yeah, no, we do that full time, but that I stick more with, like, vintage t-shirts, I like the older toys and stuff, like the 80s, 90s stuff.
Oh, okay.
This other stuff, no, this is just my shed, my collection.
This brings me great.
Yes, this is like, cool, this will work. So, yeah, you just tell me.
I guess $10 for all of it, just make it go away.
Okay.
Like, I'm sick of everything, being in the house. All right, thank you.
All right.
No, at this point, honestly, we just have to do you want a box or anything?
No.
Okay.
It should be fine. Here.
What you need? What's that baby girl need? That's the only way I grocery shop.
Y'all had fishing lures or something?
I believe that way.
The men's section. I gotta get to the right spot. How much on the reels?
Tell me what you want, we'll talk about it.
Okay, I'm picking out a few. All right. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
What do you think?
You tell me, man.
50?
Do 40, make it even, 220s.
If we take this one out, because this one that only got a boat rash once, never was used.
Well,
once, it's left hand.
I got a 50, so works out.
Right?
So I saw this yard sale advertised with all of this fishing equipment, and I just tried to pick up what I know, learning more about what is valuable with the fishing equipment. But when I see Abu Garcia, I'm gonna pick it up because I picked up a reel that I got for free that sold pretty fast. So I grabbed every single one that I could find. I'll quickly show you which models and what their value is. And I paid $50 for the entire lot of these. The 5500C, it's gonna go for about $45. The Ambassador 5601 BCX, the red one, it's going to go for about $40 in this condition. Got 2 here. Got the Silver Max and the Black Max. These will both go for about $25 a piece. Here's the Bass 4600. It's the gold edition. It's got some wear. These were used very well, but testing them all out, they're working great. This one will bring in about $50 in this condition. Here's the Ambassador 5600. That nice blue and gold brings in another $55. Got the Ambassador 6500 CL3. Like I said, all of these are working so great, so add on another $50 for this reel. Sweet.
She said she was coming.
Totally little damn move for her.
No, man. None of that is ever
She can stop the damn road.
Michelle, how much on the Xbox?
I don't know. For 20?
Okay.
Is that good for you?
The game?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, I can't tell you. I mean, it used to work, but it's just
Right.
been in my old bedroom for the last, how
I'll be
many
able to
ever.
test it out. We turned the shed into a game little
yes.
area. So Cohen's like, I clean my room. Can we?
I
So
love it.
it's like fully insulated.
I love it. Yeah, that's fine.
Everything.
Do you
out
want a
there.
different bag for it?
No, no, no.
Okay.
No. I'll throw it in the van.
Okay.
You got it. And if it don't work, just let us know.
If it don't work, hey, this is called yard sale.
Stop.
You just go buy what you can. And if it works, it works.
Michelle.
Oh, yes.
Oh. You said $5.
Yes, that's perfect.
All right.
Yes. Have a wonderful day.
And I saw this sitting in the bag, so I went ahead and snagged this Xbox. This is the first gen console. A few games, nothing really valuable. NASCAR, Namco Museum with some really cool games. Monopoly Party, and Tetris Worlds. Came with 2 controllers. I had a power cord for it. Hooks up to the TV. Great. And is working flawlessly. Can't really test out any games yet because it did not have the breakaway connectors for the controllers. But I already ordered those on eBay for $11 free shipping. Got 2 connectors coming. And then this, if I did sell it, would go for about $65. So that puts me like $30 invested all in. But we're going to hang on to this for a little while. My oldest son is getting into video games. I don't want him, totally playing all the time, but kind of as a reward, he will really, I think, enjoy this. Loves Tetris, loves Pac-Man, loves Galaga. So this will be a cool little surprise for, getting back into school, getting those good grades, great reports. Hey, we'll just introduce him to some of the classic games on one of my favorite old systems. Dog makes difference. Grab this really cool Fleetwood Mac Rumors vinyl. It's the 1977. Not the first press or anything, but in this condition, it should get about $15.
I was going to pull up in the grass.
I mean, no, I would really leave it.
Leave the
We
Audi?
have stuff in the grass.
Okay.
Pull up in the grass if you want.
You're right.
Grab these, I think they're actually new. They are the Nike Vapor Shark 2 football cleats, size 8.5. I mean, look at that. I don't think they were used for anything. We should get about $30 for these. Only paid $5 and we got the box with it. So these should do pretty good. What were you thinking on your mannequin displays?
Oh gosh, it really, I just want to get rid of them.
I'm so excited. Someone asked me.
$1 a piece. I just really.
I run a online business. My wife does a lot of the clothing stuff. I was like, that would be a good way to.
Absolutely. I used to make tutus.
She said, yeah, she made all that stuff out there.
Oh,
That's
nice.
where it came from, and then it sat in the garage forever. But yeah, that's what I used it for too.
Good morning. Good. How you doing?
I'll take all the adult ones.
Okay.
Do you need me to wipe them down for you, any? No. I got a towel.
No, I'll throw them in the back.
Oh, you said you'll sit them in the back?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
yeah, just the shoes.
4, 5, 7, 75. So it's $12.75.
Okay. Let me be real smart and go get my wallet out of the car. Duh.
You're good.
There you go. Nope, you're good.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
You have a good one.
You too. Then also got this. Oh, no, I can't. Oh, hold on. There. Okay. There. Just be a little more decent now. No, these nice half body, well, half back, torso women's mannequins, hanging mannequins. I got 7 of those. She charged me $1 a piece. We're going to keep one. But these will sell for about $20 plus shipping a piece. So with those other 6, that's $120. So yes, an incredible haul of those yard sales, spending less than $100 to make over $600. But another thing, we have our reseller tournament coming up. Planning to start in October, and if you want to take part, comment down below, because you can be part of it, whether you have a YouTube channel or if you're just on Instagram. It's really easy. You find good stuff, you sell something good, that can be your item to battle against some other great resellers. And we're thinking of doing it even in a new way. So be sure to comment below if you want to take part in that. And thank you for always checking out the channel. Subscribe and stay tuned, because we always got fun stuff coming your way. We can't wait to talk to you again real soon. Make the world a better place with a sale and a smile, and hit that subscribe button, that like button. You know you want to. I'll see you next time.